Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this tablet. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Then choose passwords and security. Now you need to tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. Over here you need to choose start, wait 5 seconds and tap on next in attention pop-up. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. After that, you can name your face data however you wish to, or not at all, and tap on Done. Over here, adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, go back. Now, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my tablet. If you want to delete your face data though, go into exactly the same settings, choose face unlock, enter your current login method and tap on your face. Then click on delete face data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!